Hello, everyone. This is Matt with Cheftel Law, and today I want to cover a really important concept for anyone who has filed a petition or application with USCIS. USCIS stands for United States Citizen and Immigration Services. They handle all of kind of the benefits requests from individuals who are filing for their spouses, their parents, their children, or if they're filing for citizenship, or if they're filing to remove a condition on their green card. These are all benefits applications that go to USCIS. And it's really important to be able to check the status of your case as well as check the processing time. So let me first go to how to check the case status. So let me quickly share my screen here. So I've already kind of redacted an old receipt to show you how we do this. This is a receipt for a case that's been filed with USCIS. You'll see at the bottom, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services is on their service center location. So this is a key part for checking the processing times. This shows you where is my case currently pending. This case is currently pending at the Nebraska Service Center. There's dozens of service centers for USCIS. So you want to know exactly where yours is pending. This is Nebraska Service Center, or NSC for short. Of course, the fundamental part of the receipt is, of course, the receipt number. And that's right there at the top left part of this document, receipt number. It's redacted, of course, because this is an actual client. It's usually 3 letters followed by numbers. As well, you'll see the notice type is also called a receipt notice. Sometimes people will call these I-797 notices, which just broadly refer to any type of action taken on your case, whether it's a receipt, a request for evidence, or a approval. So once you have this information, you want to type into your browser USCIS case status. That'll take you to this webpage. And here you're just going to type in, and let's just type in a random number here. You're going to type in some case status. I'm sorry, the receipt number for your case, check status. And as simple as that, you're going to get some information. This is a common message you'll get in terms of case status. This just means it's been receipted. They have your case, it's being reviewed. There's all different iterations you're going to get when you check your case status, but most importantly, you want to make sure your case is being actively reviewed. If there's a decision, you know about the decision, so it's not a surprise to you. Hopefully, you've already received, hopefully in the mail, a decision as well. But if you're nervous, have I missed something? You always want to go here and check your case status. Now let's go to case processing time. Similarly, let me go to the top here. Just type into your browser, USCIS case processing times. This takes a little more data to get it correct, but it's all on your receipt notice. But what you do need to know is first, what type of case is this? If you go back to our receipt notice, we know this is an I-751 petition to remove the conditional nature of a green card. So when you have a 2-year green card, you have to file a 751 petition. So we know it's an I-751. We're going to scroll down and find that form. So you're going to have to know what form's been filed, that you filed on your own or filed with an attorney. Then in this context, there's only one type of category of a 751. So it's easy. You just select removal of lawful permanent resident condition. And then, of course, as I mentioned to you before, you have to know where your case is pending, because multiple service centers will be working on the same types of cases. They kind of distribute the work around the country at their different kind of processing service centers. We know this one's at Nebraska, and we're going to click on Nebraska Service Center, get processing time, and they will give you a processing time for 80% of the cases. And what that means is 80% of the cases are completed within 20 months. When you can start complaining is even beyond those 20 months, unfortunately, and that's a little beyond this video, but you can eventually say, hey, it's been 21 months. Can I lodge a formal complaint? And that's where you put your receipt date down here, and they'll tell you if you can lodge a formal complaint or not. They actually make you wait even beyond the 80 percentile kind of marker to almost like 95th percentile before they'll even listen to complaints, unfortunately. But those are the basic steps for checking how to check your case status and how to check case processing times. Those are really important tools to have to monitor your case. Okay, everyone, until next time, thanks.